Starting from the bottom layer, the data storage layer, L0, contains the blocks and transactions that make up the blockchain. These blocks are linked together to form a chain and are distributed across the network of nodes in the blockchain. Above that is the network layer, L1, which handles the peer-to-peer networking among the nodes in the blockchain. Nodes use this layer to share data with each other and communicate with each other. The protocol layer, L2, contains the consensus protocol that governs how nodes agree on the state of the blockchain. This layer also includes the network protocol, which defines the rules for how nodes communicate with each other. Finally, the application layer, L3, contains the smart contracts and decentralized applications, DApps, that run on the blockchain. These applications interact with the lower layers of the blockchain to perform various tasks, such as transferring digital assets, executing complex financial contracts, and more.